Here we go, Ikea 2023. We're in Gateshead in the northeast of England, and the first thing is these little storage tubs. There you go, sandwiches, salads, anything. What do we do with these? We make Santa light boxes out of them. Have a look on my YouTube channel if you want to see how to make them. They're absolutely brilliant, and they're really, well, when you cable tie the lids down, they're really safe. Wonderful things. Here we go, the lovely Ikea fruit bowls, £5, £7, something like that. What do we do with these? We get little balls and stick them in there and spin them. For our learners who have autism or are autistic, these are wonderful, especially in the dark. If you use glowing balls, they're even better. Just look at the effect you get from them. Absolutely fantastic. I really like these for visual stimulation as well with some of our PMLD learners, because your brain is looking for movement all the time. Into the children's section of Ikea, a lot of soft toys around at the moment, but I want to look at these. These little chairs are still in. These are wonderful for pre-5s, early years. Get inside there, shine a light from the outside or project a little movie. Absolutely fantastic for some of our littlies who need to get away and have a little space of their own. I mentioned that there's a lot of soft toys at the moment, and there are, but what we're looking for with our VI learners is high colour contrast. That's why I like these black and white bears. Really nice and could be easy to see. So upwards, working our way through Ikea, let's look at tents. They've got some really nice complex colour tents like this, which again, nice for visual stim. Some really nice, very plain tents like this. Just pop those over the top of a child or an adult for that matter. And of course, some lovely multicoloured stuff like this, which is just marvellous. I do love the Ikea tents, they're fabulous. Now, I had an idea for these. Take the balls out and project either with a little projector or with a little torch into the net. This could be great for visual stimulation. Now, the fact it's a sports net means that it's going to be quite tough. It's not cheap, but then again it's tough, so it may last quite well. There's also a taller version there, which again could be great for visual stim with lights. Wonderful! And here are some lovely storage bins. I didn't actually film these in Ikea, I filmed them back at my house, but these are absolutely wonderful. Look at 208 or whatever number it is. This is what you do with it. Get a coloured light like the Ion Party Ball, just put this over the top and you've got the most amazing Santa light box. Look at that. That's going to cost you less than £20. Now, although they're in the children's section, these mats from Ikea are really nice and they would be suitable for some bigger people, just to create little safe spaces on the floor in the classroom or the sensory room. And the fact that they're different colours is really nice. I like these little mats because they're easy to store. Right, let's do some lighting idea. Oh, look at that. What a brilliant little sensory space in Ikea. Really love that. Fantastic stuff. Oh, anyway. Yes, these are fantastic. Lazy Susans, is that what they're called? I think they are. Ikea call them something else, and this is what we did with these. Put some UV onto it or some shadow board and you can do incredible stuff with those. Something else that isn't obvious when you walk around Ikea is these things. These are cake tins, but what you can do with a cake tin is just fantastic. We get these lights, we put them in, the sound to light. They are gorgeous, and once again, look at that, it just works on the sound. You can talk to it, you can tap it, you can do all sorts with this. It's absolutely amazing and cheap. Now, these boxes come in different colours. They used to be Billy bookcase inserts, but they're now called droners for some reason. Anyway, they do black ones, they do white ones, they do all sorts of different coloured ones. £3.50, they're well worth it. Lots of different designs, but if you keep them plain, you can just get a little light. That one's from B&M Bargains here in the UK. Project off a white one or project off a dark one. The effect is really nice just for focusing that learner in their little sensory space. If you want something ready-made, these are purpose-built. Look at that, they're sound operated. Really nice. It's a box with lots of different lights in. The one to the left of it is a strobe, so don't go near that. This one is great. Press the button on the back and you can change the patterns on the front. Because it's white, it's a really nice high colour contrast. I don't think it's battery operated, which is a shame because it would then be a lot more portable, but it is really bright for visual stimulation. Nice little box, and it's really quite decorative. I like that. We're always talking about colour contrast, creating bright colour contrasts against dark surfaces. There are lots of things in Ikea that will help you do this. Those are really nice. We've got mouse mats. we've got tough trays, they've got all kinds of things. And if you're going to be using switches, if you're going to be using UV stuff, things like this are just fantastic for creating those visual preferences for our visually impaired and autistic learners. How about those? Put your tablet or your mobile phone onto one of those, keeps it upright, really good. Okay, lovely storage solution. I like these. They could be really nice for putting symbols on the walls and activities, and this is what we're doing right now. They do black ones and white ones, which are great. But meanwhile, last sensory idea is sensory trolleys. I actually do use these because they're really good just for keeping your sensory stuff on and not badly priced. So that's it. Gateshead, Ikea in the UK, really fantastic. And we had a fabulous time. And you know what? Get a look around Ikea because they have so much sensory stuff if you know what you're looking for.